Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about if Bitcoin can hold 34K. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here in a second. Let's see if they go out. There we go. They did go out. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Any of you guys having problems with Twitter? I can't get Twitter to load my tweets. It just says something, try again later. Which is really awkward because I was really trying to get here Twitter to said that I'm live like I usually do, but it's not loading my profile, so I can't just copy and paste the old link that I used for that, which is for some reason weird, right? Look, I go here into profile, it just says, "Oh, try something went wrong, try again later." Because it's been struggling. It is a struggle. Who's in the house, man? Man, what's up? TSU, OSU Fever, what's up, dude? First like, awesome. Congrats on that.
What's up?
Carthigo, good evening. Brian Mills, what is up, bro? Soka, yo. Jeff Loomis, hi. Monty Master, what's up, dude? Crypto Dingo, hey. Aperucto, yo, what's up, dude? Guys, today I'm gonna keep it short. I'm just gonna basically leave the room open for like 3 more coins, I guess. After the list. Reason for that is I need to finish doing some stuff. I'm working on some animation for the potential new channel. Basically, I want to change some things. We'll see. So that's gonna take some time, and I don't have a lot of time right now, so I'm gonna try to do that after the stream is done. Greg M, what's up?
What's up?
Let's get this going, guys. All right, so on market cap, right? Let's go and check out the main screen, and let's jump onto market cap and see what is happening here. And hopefully the list got updated. I gotta check here if it is updated. It is. Oh, it just answered RSR. It isn't. I'm gonna have to update that coin list, man. I really wish this was more practical. There you go. I mean, it works, but I really wish it was more practical though. Save you an old hat before I rename it. All right, I haven't made any of the old hats. I'm still gonna make some hats for the State of Crypto. It's just that the provider for the hats, they have not been able to get the hats. I guess there's a shortage on the hats, so I'm waiting for them to get the hats in so I can order some and get them, made like this. So I'm not sure when that's gonna be, but the provider we're working with doesn't have the hats right now, so it's a waiting game. Soka's actually helping me out with that because he knows the provider. What is happening in total market cap? In the session day yesterday, we did try to go up. We did close very close to the opening. Again, 0.13% to downside, not a lot. She's losing 1.90 billion right now, sitting at $1.42 trillion. Still struggling, right? Still struggling to get above that 20, and that is not good. We want to burst above that 20. If we fail here again, the feeling I'm getting is that if we fail here again today or tomorrow still, we might drop. Because that means just we're not strong enough to burst through that 20. And we should be looking for a move above that 20 and a close above that 20 if we want to go higher still. We are neutral, 46.44 on that RSI. So that is it. There's nothing bullish or bearish happening right now. Let's go to the Bitcoin, man. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Sorry, Bitcoin dominance at 45.89. Lost a lot of dominance yesterday, 2.28% today. Trying to go up 0.23%. We'll see how that works. It's below the 20 moving average. We had that bearish divergence. We knew we could move down. We are moving down. Great. Not a lot happening here on the dominance. Just still at 45.88, still in the 40s. RSI at 49.54, meaning we're neutral. We could go either way. What's happening with the price of Bitcoin? 34,772, right? Remember yesterday, guys, we called for a potential move down. We had the technicals for a move down. Just my hope was that we were going to go up. Not necessarily meant we needed to go up. We knew there was a chance for action downside because we had bearish divergence on the 4-hour and on the 1 hour. And all I was hoping was that if the hidden bullish divergence that we were looking for on the 1 hour was going to play out, or the 4 hour was going to play out, then we could have that sense that the bullish indicators were taking control and that, the bearish indicators were still failing to play out. The fact that strong bearish divergence plays out and hidden bullish didn't play out, it just tells me that we're still in that indecision zone. We don't know if we want to go up or down, and we knew we could still see 34,000 yesterday. That's why the name of the stream yesterday was 37,000 or 34,000, right? Because we knew there was a chance for action to downside based on the fact that we had divergence. Now, we are breaking below the neckline that we're looking for. See, this changed again. This changes every day. Yesterday we moved it up because it was up here. Now it's down here again. It's awkward. This is like really, really screwing with me every day. I come in here like this. Yesterday was up here. Today's down here again. See how data on this chart has been changing? It's freaking weird, man. You guys can actually verify that. Something went wrong on all Twitter. Oh, I already done that, man. I'm like, there's just, I tried reloading. It's not working, right? I guess you're a little bit behind in the stream, maybe. Or basically just tell me that right now. But look, it's reloading. That's not it. That's something from YouTube I get to check out. This is just a regular one, my feed. And here it is, right? I'm going to reload again. Yeah, something goes wrong. Every time something goes wrong. So. Right on. So what else? What else can we look for here, man? Right. So that's what we're going to try to determine right now. We do have a small dot there. I'm going to leave it there. I'm not sure what that dot is for. It might have been a mistake there. So we're moving down. So 34,000 could still be support. We'll see. I mean, we are in that range where we could, in theory, drop all the way down to the 33,000s. not necessarily be weird. There's nothing bearish on the daily. We still have this bullish divergence that we could try to rally on, just rejection of the 20. That's what we're getting right today. Moving down, right? Tell. Sure, I'll add tell. So we're getting that action downside. We're neutral at 46.23. We're not getting a sharp move down. It's just slightly pointing down still on the RSI. Means we could still lose on that, price action. Still yet to be determined. 4-hour chart. Look, we had that bearish divergence. We moved down on it. We broke the 20. I was really hoping we're going to find support there. We don't have it. Low point to a higher point. Negative. Less negative. Low to high. Neutral at 50.07. So nothing bullish here. Just the bearish divergence still coming into play. We did try to rally. We did try to get above that 20. And we're failing at 35,036, right? We hit it almost spot on. We closed at 35,021. So within $15 of target. Gapped up on the opening. Rejecting that zone. Not good. Neutral at 50.32. Nothing bullish. Again, the last thing we have is the bearishness. The 1-hour chart. We had this bearish divergence. Right? This strong bearish divergence here. I was hoping that this hidden bullish was going to hold here. When we were doing the stream at the beginning, we were hoping it was going to hold here. We dropped massively in this 1 hour. I was really hoping we were going to hold here. And when I saw this start to climb back up a little bit towards the, 1 in the morning, I was okay, cool. We're going to hit that area again. We're going to try to get above it. Guess what? We failed massively. Then we just went lower, right? So on the hidden divergence that we're looking for here, we lost it, right? We no longer have it because we're going lower. But we are creating another type of divergence. And I'm just going to do this by shifting these lines. I don't want to redraw them. But what we're looking at here is strong bullish divergence, right? Low, lower low, negative, less negative momentum. We don't have it against the RSI. We're getting that action to the upside. But guess what? We did get above that 20 nicely, and we rejected 35,036, which is a resistance. We just failed to get above that zone. Remember yesterday we said we were getting expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the downside potentially if we didn't manage to hold here. We got that expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the downside. We got a little bit overextended. Getting above the 20, losing it right now. That just means we're not strong enough. There's nothing bearish right now. High to low, and high to low. We're just rejecting an area of resistance, and we're failing to get above it, and that really sucks. I was really hoping we're going to get above 35,000, and it probably climbed to 37,000 on the hidden bullish divergence, showing that the market was feeling a little bit more bullish. Just as moving down, just lets me know that bullish sentiment is not really fully there. That's it for Bitcoin. We are neutral at 43.10, pointing down. That means we could still be looking for more action to downside still. And this candle just looks like it's getting started. We might come back to it later on. We will come back to it later on. We'll see where it goes, man. We'll see where it goes. Now, could we come lower here and make more negative momentum or less negative momentum? Yes, we could, right? In all fairness, we could come somewhere down here and have less of that negative momentum and go from here to here on the RSI, right? A low point to a higher point, and have strong bullish divergence, and that would usually get us to try to go slightly higher. So what I'm going to do right now, just so we know we talked about this, I'm going to leave some lines like this without them hitting anything. That's the move I would be expecting to see, at least some more strong bullish divergence before we actually get some rally to the upside, right? Let's go to Ethereum. Yo, what's up? False flags.
What's up?
Haven't seen you in a long time. I'm glad to see you, man. I hope you're doing okay. Bitcoin Jake's crying. His long probably didn't do that good yesterday. Ethereum on daily. Bullish divergence, action to the upside, right? Pumping. Yesterday, we still managed to close positive 5%. Is this loading proper data? Yeah, it's loading proper data. Ethereum did good yesterday. So while Bitcoin dropped, Ethereum still managed to hold on and pump a little bit more. We still have this hidden divergence. Remember, we talked about this. Ethereum is going to take a lot of strength to climb, and we talked also about the fact that some alts might be trying to do better while Bitcoin was stagnating a couple days ago. This shows that there's some kind of bullishness in the market. Someone asked yesterday, why do you look at alts? The reason I said we looked at alts is because they might pump while Bitcoin drops. Sometimes that happens, and we see that happening yesterday. So at least Ethereum pumped. Still trying to get above that 2,263. We're rejecting it right now, sitting at 2,226. That is fine. We're still above that 20. That hidden divergence could break us down to that 20. Try to find support. Neutral at 48.99, pointing slightly down on the RSI, meaning we could still be looking for more action to the downside. And like I said, finding support at the 20 would be awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, we had that bearish divergence, went down, hit that 20 as support, bump, right? Awesome. Pumping. On that pump, we are creating more bearish divergence. Now we're coming up here higher, we're coming down here lower, and here on this last bit, we also have strong bearish divergence right on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum. So action to the downside. What's up, Elon? We are bought at 60.97. Again, nothing bullish here. So waiting Ethereum to maybe drop to that 20 here at 2,131 on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. That 20 sitting at 2,185. Now we did go from a low point to a higher point, low to high, and high to low. Against the RSI, we created bearish divergence strong. With that, we are looking for action to the downside. And that is where the pain will come. And if we do move down and break that 20, we could be looking for more action to the downside still. Here we're looking for a hidden divergence. Did we manage to hold on to it? I'm not sure. I'm really going to have to zoom in here. Where did we open here? What was the opening? We opened at 2,089. Here we close at 2,094, slightly higher. So low to high, negative, more negative, hidden divergence still held. And then from here to here, we're also higher, less negative, higher. So, all right, the thing we have right now is strong bearish. For potential action downside, that move could get us here, 2,185. We're still pointing down on that RSI, sitting neutral at 55.99, with still potential to move down. That is it for Ethereum. Let's go to Binance. Binance at $297. Let's get on that daily and see what's happening, man. Binance pumped a little bit yesterday, 0.93%. Today going down 1.98. So on doing that, bearish engulfing the previous day, have not yet hit that 20. Nothing bearish happening here. Neutral at 42.65. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had some hidden bearish divergence. Moved down on that. Created some hidden bullish, if we will. And the reason for that is the move here. All right, we're going from a low point to a higher point. And then we are coming from negative momentum here to more negative momentum. So hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside, bouncing, getting above that 20 right now, retesting the 20. We're failing to get higher than the previous high. So we could be getting continuation of this hidden bearish. But hidden bearish, hidden bullish, we could also start looking at some stagnation and maybe a triangle forming here before we actually break. That's it. Neutral at 51.64 again, could go either way. Pointing down though, so suggesting that we might be trying to break that 20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, still managed to go slightly lower. Look at that. For some reason, some of these charts are changing data every day. Like, it's weird. Here we go. We still dropped slightly higher. We still created that hidden divergence. We try to pump on it, right? We try to pump on this hidden divergence. Failed. Dropped lower. Now we're going low, lower, low, lower and lower. And here in the short term, what I would be saying is we are creating some strong bullish. That strong bullish divergence is what it's getting us to try to rally right now. We got above that 20. We are rejecting. We're going to check. We might be creating some hidden divergence. I'm going to check here in a second. 1.47, 1.62, high to low, right? So positive momentum to more positive momentum. We come from a high point to a lower point. So yes, we do have hidden bearish divergence. We are neutral at 50.94. That's it for Binance. Let's go and look at Litecoin, man. I have a feeling that tonight's going to be a short stream. We might be hitting it just on the hour, I think. That's going to be fine. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Again, action to the upside, going up, hitting that 20, rejecting slightly. Neutral at 43.30. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. We had bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. Nothing bullish here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 55.29, still pointing down. Bearish divergence, moved us to 20, try to bounce, failing. Could be going down to that 20 again to retest for support at 139. I was really hoping Litecoin would go to 163, but we're not getting that move. On the daily, did we drop yesterday? No, we had an indecision day, 12% to the upside, 0.12% to the upside. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Drop to here, still created that hidden divergence. We still try to rally on it. Try rally failed. Now we're coming lower, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence that we've seen across a couple of the projects. But again, Litecoin not holding so well. Litecoin not holding so well here. So we did try to rally. Let's zoom in here, man. What is this? High to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish here. We're moving down towards the 20. What's up?
Can I get you to look at
What the hell, man? All right. Oh, man.
Link eventually, sir.
All right, sure, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary flags.
Thank you very
That's awesome, dude. I'll do it right after this. We'll do link. All right, on, dude. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated, good sir. Let's keep rolling here. What are we doing here? We're neutral, 47, 179. That is it, dude. We're not really doing a lot on Litecoin. So let's go check out Link. Going down to that 20 right now, trying to find support. Oh, dude, does that mean that Bitcoin's dropping? Let's check Bitcoin real quick before we move on to Link. Yes, Bitcoin is dropping still a little bit more. All right, let's go to Link. What the hell, dude? Link to the dollar. Here we go. I think this is the Link chart we'll look at. I'm not sure. I have to zoom out. Yeah, I think this is the Link chart we'll look at. Is this one? No, the other one. There we go. Right on. So bearish divergence broke down on that low, lower, low, negative, less negative, low to high. We did have some bullish divergence here, like some other projects. We are floating in a weird zone for Link. Link sitting at $19. Sorry, $18.93, almost $19. But Link, it's weird where it's sitting at. It's sitting here awkwardly between that 618 and that 786. Have not gone down to retest that bottom part, has not gone up to reject that top part. They reject the 20 though, and there was some hidden divergence here.